Ladies and gentlemen, please let me introduce to you the hexagonille terrain system. A set of STL files that you can print, model over, put together and play on with all your friends. It is a great solution for those of you who love to craft their own terrains, but still want them to be fully modular and fitting perfectly together. With no further introduction, please let me show you the overlook of the whole system. This is a basic tile, the hexagon. It's very simple, very light, very easy to print. And you can model over them whatever you like. Do you want desert? Just put some sand on it. Do you want grass? I bet you have some flock in your stock. Do you want snow? I think it was baking soda. Whatever. The possibilities are endless. You can imagine the water tiles are very similar to these. What about some more complicated tiles? Well, this is out of printer the cliff size. Here you will need some modeling, put some face on it, and again some flock, sand or whatever on the top. We have plenty of variation of these for the cliffs, for rocks, even for the caves. Let me show you how they look when put together. This is a simple model I put together to show you what the possibilities of this system is. First we have the flat tiles, you already saw them. Then we have some hills, a lot of different slopes that allows you to create smooth transitions between the high level or just make some hills. We have a rock face, again, different style, different sizes, different shapes. It's up to you how to model, how you will model them. Next, we have cliffs, because when you have rocks you have to create some cliffs. We have plenty of water, so you can create a shore or lake, great rivers, all the small streams with springs, waterfalls, whatever you wish to. And my beloved, caves. We are inspired by many others, systems and whatever. We just put all together, so you can create very simply, very nice and very realistic in our crafting way looking model. So, about the caves. Here you can see, I hope so, I hope yes, you can see here is a cave entrance, and when your players enter, you just reveal them the whole cave system hidden beneath the flat surface of your upper level. As you can see, this easy it is to create the outstanding model of terrain for your battle plans, for your playing parties and whatever. I hope you like it. If you so, you can buy it and print as many as you wish. If you have any questions, please contact us and ask us. We'll love to answer you. I hope you like it. I hope you will enjoy it when playing. Happy crafting, happy gaming.